So my name is Mike Sheehan, and we actually bought this car a year ago in March. This car's actually been a race car since 1999.
Really?
It's an NHRA legal stock eliminator car. So,
right on.
And then I talked to the original owner here, the original builder here about a month ago. We talked for 2 hours on the phone. He told me about how he built it and everything. Anyway, so it was built in 1999, and we've been racing it last year and then so far this year. So, and the reason we're here is you can see there's a lot of ag businesses and ag dairy farms that sponsor me. And so we kind of spread the word about dairy and agriculture wherever we go, whether we race or we come to an event like this. So we spread the word about dairy and agriculture. So that's where we came up with Milk Money Racing, and so that's why we did that. I've been in the ag business for 35 years, and it's been really good to me. So we thought we'd give back a little bit. We'd have a little fun racing, and we'd give back a little bit to something that's been really good to us.
Excellent, excellent. I'm glad to hear that. It's a good cause for sure.
Thank you. And it's been fun. We've had a blast so far with it. You know, we've had a really good time meeting a lot of really nice people. And we've had fun racing. I was out of racing for 14 years, and I got back into it last year when we decided to do this. And so it's been a little learning curve getting back into it. I've never had a fuel injection car before, so I don't really know anything about it. So I'm learning about that. That's been kind of fun, I guess. But But anyway, that's kind of the story of our car.
That's nice. Okay.
And check us out. We Milk Money Racing. We have a Facebook page, Milk Money Racing, and we also have a website, milkmoneyracing.com. So check out some of our events and where we're going to be, and our schedule is on there. So.
Okay. So what's your fastest time in this car?
Fastest I've been in it is 11:97 at 110 miles an hour or so.
Yeah, that's no joke.
Yeah, and we're really limited in what we can do to the engine because it's a stock eliminator car, right? So it's a stock 302.
Right.
I mean, we can only do certain things to it, you know. So the rules, we have a lot of rules to live by.
Yeah, exactly.
So yeah. We're struggling this year with it. We did some changes over the winter, and we went the wrong direction. So we got to kind of figure out what's going on with that, you know, to get a little speed back. But we'll get it figured out.
I'm sure you will. Sure you will. And you can't give up, man. You got to keep trying, right?
We're not going to give up. We'll get it figured out.
I'm sure you will.
We just got to keep plugging away at it.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Well, thanks, Mike. I appreciate your time.
Yeah. Thank you. Thanks for stopping by.
Of course.